Identify the chemical reaction occurring in the experiment. The student mixes an aqueous solution of an unknown metal chloride, MCl, with an aqueous solution of silver nitrate, OgNO3. The balanced molecular equation for this double replacement precipitation reaction is MCl plus OgNO3 gives AgCl plus MnO3. Write the complete ionic equation. To see the physical state of all species in the mixture, we write them as they actually exist in the solution. M to the power plus plus Cl to the power negative plus Ag to the power plus plus number 3 to the power negative gives AgCl plus M to the power plus plus number 3 to the power negative. Identify the spectator ions. Notice that the metal cation, M to the power plus, and the nitrate anion, number 3 to the power negative, appear in the exact same state as dissociated, hydrated aqueous ions on both the reactant and product sides of the equation. This indicates that they do not participate directly in the chemical reaction. They are spectator ions. Understand the filtration process. During filtration, the insoluble solid precipitate, AgCl, is trapped by the filter paper. The liquid that passes through the filter paper is called the filtrate. Because nitrate ions, number 3 to the power negative, are spectator ions and all common nitrate salts are highly soluble, they remain fully dissolved in the water and pass completely into the filtrate. Therefore, they remain dissolved in the filtrate solution, matching option D. The correct answer is option D. They remain dissolved in the filtrate solution.